noise and danger, sweet peace it's crowned with smiles, and one born in a manger commands the beauteous fowls. From realms of glory they fly o'er the earth, singing the story of Jesus' birth. There above noise and danger, sweet peace is crowned with smiles, and one born in a manger commands the beauteous fowls. Led by the light of a heavenly star, three wise men came from country far. There above noise and danger, sweet peace is crowned with smiles, and one born in a manger commands the beauteous fowls. 'Neath life's crashing load forms bend low, toiling and climbing, steps painful and slow. Yet there above noise and danger, sweet peace it's crowned with smiles, and one born in a manger commands the beauteous fowls.